when people have an autoimmune disorder for a long time, they have a lot of symptoms and they might be dismissed by their doctors and their significant others, and they might be told you're over exaggerating something. You don't feel how you used to. And it might be starting to affect your mood. You might be starting to get sad and starting to give up hope. But you need to look at the people that have autoimmune disorders and you see how much better they are. Look where I was. I was in excruciating, debilitating pain. I had weird rashes, hives, wheezing, hair thinning, scalp showing, exhaustion, gaining weight, popping all the prescriptions, not feeling any better. And I went from that to where I am now, where I'm back to my ideal weight, my ideal sugars, my ideal blood pressure. I have no more pain. I have great hair now. I'm energetic and happy. So I want you to know that there is hope for you. You need to have the hope first, the inspiration, the motivation. I'm going to help you with the transformation. So know that there is hope out there. I thought like this, if we can send men to the moon, we can make me better.